And we'll just see how this little brush does here. Oh yeah, that does nice. Look at that. That cleans everything up really good. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and dust my keyboard off here real quick. It gets really dusty out here where I live, so luckily I got this keyboard cleaning kit sent to me to make a video about. The nice thing about this particular keyboard cleaning kit is it's more than just a cleaning kit. It also has a wrist pad on top there, and it even has a phone holder. Plus, with all the different cleaning tools that comes with it, you can clean all kinds of stuff with it. All right, let's go ahead and check this thing out. So you can see everything you get in the kit here. You get all these different cleaning tools and brushes and pins and everything. And it even comes with a little spray bottle here of cleaning fluid. And then you get your little microfiber cloth there. And then you can see these things swivel out there so you can hold your phone up. And then these have magnets on them. The cover has a magnets on it. And then it's got like a nice wrist pad on there that you can put up next to your computer. You can see my keyboard there. Like I said, it gets really dusty out here where I live, so I'm going to go ahead and clean up the keyboard here. So yeah, it's super convenient just to lift that off there. And then you can see there's a big brush right here. We'll go ahead and start with that. And then I'll just go ahead and dust everything off on my keyboard. Let's see if it comes with a little handle there. It looks like there's just a little handle in here. So I can go ahead and put this together. And we'll just see how this little brush does here. Oh yeah, that does nice. Look at that. That cleans everything up really good. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and dust my keyboard off here real quick. There's also a little tiny brush right here if you don't want to push all the keyboards while you're brushing. You just pull that off there. And then you can try one of the little brushes. So yeah, that's nice. I can just get right in between the keyboards there and clean everything up really good. Yeah, I can't believe how dusty this is. It's been a while since I cleaned this. And then when you're done, you just take the little handle off and put it back here. Your little brush there. But yeah, it's got all kinds of stuff in here. It's even got a little pin tool there. Some different tools for you to use with your phone. That little reset button pin there. Then there's a little spray bottle to clean the screen and the lens on your phone. Comes a little instruction guide there, very detailed, lots of pictures on all the different tools. And it shows you on here on some of the different ways to clean with, some of the different ways you can clean with the tools. So yeah, this keyboard kit's pretty nice. And then when you're done with the phone holder, you just fold it in. It's got two of them, one on each side, so you can put it on either side there. As far as the wrist pad goes, it's a really nice soft wrist pad, but I do prefer using it on a smaller keyboard. I think it works better on this smaller keyboard right here. It works fine for regular typing, but if you want to use the number keys over here, it kind of goes off to the edge of the wrist pad. But for most things, I just like to use this small keyboard right here, and it's plenty big for that. So I can get on here. I don't have any problems with my hand going off the edge when I use the smaller keyboard. Looks like this keyboard's a little dusty too, so I'll have to clean it as well. So yeah, that's the nice thing about this keyboard cleaning kit. Not only can I clean all my keyboards with it, but I can also clean my cell phone and my cameras and all kinds of things with it. So yeah, this thing's pretty nice.